Welcome to the channel, and let's jump right into it at the Happy Friar. Welcome to the Happy Friar at Cedar Point. They have those famous fries, cheese fries. That's what they're known for. If you're new, take time to subscribe to the channel for new and upcoming content. We walk in. This was nicely done by Cedar Point. This new Happy Friar has a nice indoor quick service setup. In the summer, this is a great blast to AC when it's hot outside. The Happy Friar is known for its really good crispy fries with either cheese or garlic parmesan sauce. They also have hot dogs on the stick and cheese on the stick. Or you can order corn dogs, mini corn dogs, with your fries. We used our dining plan to get the mini corn dogs and the fries. For this video, we bought a separate thing of fries just so we could get it with cheese. Now, if you decide to get cheese on your fries, if you use the dining plan to get the mini corn dogs, you have to pay extra for the cheese. They won't tell you that until you get up to the front. So just so you know, if you think you'll get cheese, you have to pay extra with your dining plan. And because the fries are so popular, make sure you hit them up and give them a try. Moving on over to Top Grill 2. Yes, sir. This is where we're going first right now.